gbọ́ ìròyìn aburú lórí àwọn ọ̀tá wa àbí aninilára wa, ìròyìn aburú yẹn kò dùn mọ́ wa nínú, nítorí wípé is a reflection time. Má fọ̀run yọ anybody, everybody ló ń lọ. But when we decide to detach ourselves, to stay on our own, to stay alone, I know how Iyabojo operates for very long time. For very long time. These people, they were never an enemy right from day one. Iyabojo pushed them to become an enemy. So Iyabojo pushed them to become an enemy does not mean that if negative things or bad news befall them, that does not mean we will be happy. So you understand? So when we decide not to talk on a case, when so many cases has happened to me and nobody came to help, I've been defamed, I've been bullied, my enemy lost so many. On this cyberspace, they've done a lot to me. It do matter, a child, a life of a child was, cut short at Idumata, and nobody put up any update to say sorry or to say justice for so thing, or to come out and say no, we know this for a very long time, Lizzy cannot do this. Instead, all of them kept quiet because they were afraid of Iyabojo. So when Iyabojo bullied them to point of no return, Iyabojo now is desperate looking for who to pin some negative news on to make money. Don't forget that the person in question does not have husband, does not have a child. So Iyabojo will be looking for a victim in order to look for donations for the burial. So be calculative. Adult in I'll keep telling you, when you look on your book, look on me, ibita dele ni eyin le ti wa síbẹ̀. Jeje Lizzy ló ń jókòó, ó ń lọ party, kò ń bá wọn ṣe, olórí burúkú ilẹ̀ mama kariwo, kò ń bá wọn ṣe, kò ń bá wọn colleagues ẹ̀ ṣe. Meanwhile, it's all set up. It's all set up. When people decide that they want to stay on their own, let them stay. Ẹni tí ò kí ni káàbọ̀ ń gbọ́ pàdánù kulé. But that does not mean pé tí aburú bá ṣẹlẹ̀ sọ́tà wa, ká má ní reflection, or ká má ní feelings, or ká má gbàdúrà fún nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yàrá pa Olúwa ẹ̀yà bá amúyẹ̀pẹ̀ burúkú kúrò lójú ẹ̀. Let it be between you and your God. Because situation whereby you put up the picture of that person, Iyabojo will pin it on you because she's looking for money of burial. Ọjọ́ olólórí burúkú yìí fẹ́ gbọ́n, must you mention some things on my page? You don't understand? Iyabojo, see, what happened now is that is the jackpot for Iyabojo. So Iyabojo is looking for who to pin it on to get donations, because this person in question does not have a husband, does not have a child.
Tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Lizzy Anjorin tí ó sọ nípa olóògbé ALLWELL ADEMOLA. Ẹ ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí ó sọ nípa arábìnrin yìí àti ẹ̀sùn yìí tí ó fi kan Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lórí ikú tí ó pa arábìnrin tí ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kú yìí.
So it has become a national cake for Iyabojo Òjó. Then you as a victim, a very long time victim, you have to be careful, stay on your lane.